How to split PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect way or process. So guys, let's start with the video. And end of the video, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, first we need to open the PDF which you want to split. You can see I have PDF with multiple pages. I have several pages around 19. Okay, so what you need to do, first go to the all tools, and under the all tools we need to go in this option called the organize page. So here you can see this option. If you don't find here, you can go to the view. You can see this option, view more, just click on it, then you can see this option in bottom. I just go here in organize pages, so you can see all your pages like this. This is a view. Okay, so now you need to select that pages here. Okay, so here you can see the option called split. Just click on it. Now you can see the option, so split by numbers pages, or you have more two options, which is file size and the top level bookmarks. Okay, if you have bookmarks on your pages, so you can use this option, and file size is depend on your pages size. So normally used for normal number of pages, so I just select this number of pages. So we have total 19 pages, so we can split with the 2, or you can 3 4, whatever you want. So I just keep the 2 pages, and add the you can also add the many files here by clicking this PDF file to split. Okay, here you can see the output option. Under the output option, you can save this split file. This is by default option selected. Okay, if you want to save this file in same folder, then you can keep keep it, or you can select the new folder for the new split file. So you can browse the location where you want to save, and you can select the folder you want to save, or from here you can also create the new folder. So the folder will be created under this folder. So I have select this already. So if I make the new folder, then the another folder will be create as a subfolder under this. So we need to name this folder. Now the folder has been created. Now select that folder and just click OK. Then the folder has been created, and this option you can see, do not overwrite existing file. If it is unchecked, you need to check it, because if it is overwrite, then your existing file will be lost. Okay, so just make sure this check mark has been ticked. Now just click on OK. Now we are going to split pages, split pages every 2 pages split. Okay, every 2 pages split. Go to the, and now all done, just click on split, then the pages, every 2 pages will be split. Just click on, the document has been successfully split into 10 documents. Okay, so let me show you. Okay guys, so this was the folder which we had created. Now just open it, and you can see there is a 10 pages, 10 PDF file has been created, and every PDF has 2 pages. You can see. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.